Google surprises the audience by releasing Gemini 1.5 by overpassing GPT-4. Come, let's unveil the significance. Google has released Gemini 1.5, their latest model in their family of Gemini models. This model is incredibly powerful, capable of handling up to 3 hours of video in a single context length, 22 hours of audio at once, and up to 7 million words or 10 million tokens with remarkable accuracy. The accuracy rate of Gemini 1.5 is around 99 to 100%, making it an exceptional multi-motor model that is set to change the way we think about AI. Gemini 1.5 is better across the board in text, vision, and audio, but only slightly better than Gemini Pro 1.0, which is currently available. In terms of Gemini Ultra, it is better than text and in vision. Overall, Gemini 1.5 is substantially better than Gemini Pro 1.0, which is currently available. In a demo of long context understanding, the model was shown to be more capable than Gemini Pro 1.0. The model was asked to find 3 comedic moments, list quotes from the Apollo 11 transcript, and emoji. The model correctly identified the moment in the transcript as Neil's first steps on the moon. The model also took around 60 seconds to respond to each of these prompts, but latency times might be higher or lower as this is an experimental feature being optimized. Another example of Gemini's massive capabilities is in coding tasks. The model was asked to find 3 examples for learning about character animation, pick out 3 good choices based on the prompt. The model took around 60 seconds to respond to each of these prompts, but latency times might be higher or lower as this is an experimental feature being optimized. The model was also asked to customize the code for the animation speed using the GUI library. The other demos have set a parameter called animation speed and wired it up to the mixer in the scene, but the code it gave us did exactly what we wanted. To make the terrain flatter, the model was asked to make a change to the scene using a 3D text demo. The model was able to zero in on one particular function called generate height and showed the exact line to tweak below the code. The updated version of the model shows that the terrain is indeed flatter, just like we asked. Gemini 1.5 is a powerful and versatile AI system that can handle large, complex tasks. Its impressive capabilities are demonstrated through various examples, such as a 432-page transcript of the Apollo 11 transcript, a 3JS example code, and a 3D text demo. The model's ability to handle various tasks and provide accurate responses to various scenarios makes it a promising addition to the AI landscape. In this video, we are discussing the impressive capabilities of Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro AI system, which can solve problems across 100,000 lines of code. The model is capable of identifying precise lines in a text geometry demo and explaining material properties like metalness and roughness to achieve a shiny effect. The video also shows examples of how the model can use up to 1 million multimodal tokens in a context window. They demonstrate the ability to solve problems across 100,000 lines of code with the accuracy level of Google's Gemini. This is an impressive feat, as no other AI system can achieve the same level of accuracy. Another example is the multimodal prompting feature, which is used by many standard users. The speaker walks through a screen recording of example prompts using a 44-minute Buster Keaton film, which contains over 600,000 tokens in Google AI Studio. The model extracts text accurately from the video and provides key information on it with the timecode. The model also extracts a drawing of a scene and returns the timecode when the scene happens. The video also implies a paper attached to the model that shows other incredible capabilities. The paper demonstrates that the model can translate from English to Hmong with similar quality to a human who learned from the same materials. This means that the model can get the entirety of the context length and a dictionary, reason, and do translation based on new data just like a human would. Another example from the paper is the ability of the model to understand the nuances of what's happening in the image, extrapolate that data out, and reason to figure out exactly where that is. This is something that is unheard of in current AI systems. Another example from the paper is the Video Hast stack, which is compared to GPT-4 with vision. GPT-4 with vision can only take in 3 minutes in their API, while Gemini 1.5 can do 1 minute of content all the way up to 3 hours. The demo shows that the computer, Gemini 1.5, can find a secret message hidden in one frame of a long movie. In this demo, the secret message is put in one frame of the video, and the model asks the model what the secret word is. This is essentially like finding a needle in a haystack. The Gemini 1.5 Pro AI system is truly impressive and has the potential to revolutionize the AI industry. It can solve problems across 100,000 lines of code with the accuracy level of Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro. The paper also highlights the importance of understanding the nuances of the image and the video hash stack in order to improve the accuracy of the model. Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro system has demonstrated incredible video capabilities, including 100% accuracy in video stacks and up to 10 million tokens. This is an unprecedented level of accuracy, as it can reason about 1 million context-length windows and only has 128,000 contact lines compared to GPT-4 Turbo. Benchmarks show that Gemini 1.5 Pro outperforms GPT-4 with vision on a 1-hour video QA and experiments, outperforming 16 frames and 150 frames and supporting video. The core capabilities like math science, reasoning, coding, and instruction following are up across the board in this model. In terms of the actual families of models, Gemini 1.5 Pro is better across the board and has a hugely increased contact length, allowing for more things. In detailed benchmarks, it outperforms it on the HelSwag, MMLU, GSM-8K, Math, and Big Bench. In coding, it is 77.7% on natural-to-code benchmarks. Gemini 1.5 Pro was trained on multiple 496-chip pods of Google's TPU for view accelerators distributed across multiple data centers and on a variety of multimodal and multilingual data. It is expected that Google will use this model in its AI and video capabilities, potentially using these to reason and figure out things in certain videos. The excitement for Google's family of models is high, as it is expected to beef up competition and make a more competitive AI space. It will be interesting to see how other AI companies respond to this, as Google currently leads the benchmarks and some systems don't even have some of these capabilities. Therefore, Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro model is an incredible addition to their AI family, and it is expected to be used in Google's AI and video capabilities. Thank you for watching the video.